Ooh, I love it when they're all tired.
Hey, Bubby. Is he gonna wake up? Is he gonna wake up for everybody?
Let me get my camera.
Dude. There we go. Hi, honey. You saying leave me alone, Mom? I'm relaxing. Huh. See, we've got the first day at the lake. Huh. Hey, babe.
Look at Grandma. I'm more important than Mommy.
Okay, look over
Did
here.
you find it, baby?
There we go.
And I got some more.
Hi, Bubby.
Thank you.
The others one.
You are so thoughtful. Thank you.
Hi, Bubby.
Well, it was actually Jake's idea.
Oh. Ooh, you got sand all over you, dude.
I'm still trying to open this thing.
Ooh, I see a
Close.
fingernail.